Let me show you how to make hummus 2 ways. First, boil your pre-soaked chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, and set aside to cool. And if you prefer, you can substitute with black beans. If it's still a bit warm, it's okay. Just make sure you don't burn yourself. Now drain the water, but don't throw it. Save it for later. Next, move the beans into a food processor and add your salt, lemon juice, garlic, and tahini. Remember the water we saved earlier? That's called aquafaba. Add about 2 tablespoons in and blend. This helps your hummus get that creamy consistency. Bonus tip, you can save the aquafaba and use it as an egg substitute and also to help thicken your soups. Look how beautiful and creamy this is. So now you got your basic hummus. You can use it as a dip or even as a spread. If you prefer something spicy, you can actually powder when blending. One of my personal favorites is adding sun-dried tomatoes. If you're not having it straight away, you can keep it in an airtight container. Just make sure to pack it in really well, no air bubbles, and top it off with extra virgin olive oil to prevent it from drying. Another version I like is with olives. Here I'm using salted olive skin. You can find it in most Chinese sundry shops. Since it's salted, I'm only using about 1 tablespoon. Now just blend until it's fully incorporated, and voila, you have another version. And if you're the type who likes to follow measurements, you can screenshot it right here. The thing about any recipe is, you can personalize it, get creative, experiment, make some tweaks here and there, and make it your own. And if you're still here, please like, share, and follow. Enjoy!